I'm pretty sure all of you all are in here don't want to get some credit education, but also to understand how to help your own self when it comes to getting back on the right track. How does, just off the top, how does credit, what kind of emotions does credit evoke? How do you feel about credit?
Mine just makes me cry.
Okay. Right. Painful, stressful.
It can turn into arguments.
Right. Oh yeah, it'll destroy a family. You know, it will. I mean, the thing is, when you have great credit, guess what? You walk in and your head is, you know, you head all up. You going there to I want this car. You know, don't worry about my credit. Just tell me how much you gonna give it to me, but then I'll let you go for credit. But then when you know your credit is bad, you go in there, you like, oh Lord, you praying all the way to the door. Know your credit is jacked up. It stresses us out, and that's another reason why when I'm working with clients, it's more of a one-on-one thing. Literally, my job is to help people through. And I have to understand, I can't get an attitude when people call me and they're stressed out and they're mad, or if they're about to close on a deal, or that deal just fell through at the end of the time, that they want somebody to help them. It's life. I mean, and not only credit, but it starts affecting everything. It affects your health, it affects your relationships, it's just everything, and you mad. And that's not what we want. It's time for us to get out of that. And we can do that by really focusing and honing down on what it is that we need to do.